It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's call her if she picks up. She better pick up.
Girl, I'm over here looking homeless and you looking like somebody's alive. So it's looking like I just went through a whole divorce. You just got married.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, it's your girl More, and if you want more, I'll give you more. In this video, I have achieved this look for you. I mean, look at your girl. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So after I prime my skin, this is a major step I try not to miss. So I'm just adding a thin layer of setting powder on my face just to absorb any excess oil so I don't get shiny throughout the day. So now I'm just gonna go in with my brows, and okay, you may think that this shade is a little bit dark, but for this look I really wanted a defined and gradient effect, and I think it turned out really nice. As much as I try to make my brows the same shape, I have to remember my brows are sisters and not twins. For concealer, I usually use my Estee Lauder concealer, which is a little bit darker. But I wanted a more defined highlight, so I went with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I've actually done a video on how you can apply your lashes easily and quickly, so I'll add this video in the description or at the top of this video somewhere. Now this Dose of Color liquid matte lipstick is so nice. I didn't want a matte look, but I adore the shade, so I just added a clear gloss over the top, and this combination came out really pretty. So you guys, this is the final look. I'm really cute, okay? So this is the end of this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.